Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get range tokens for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then go to Act 1 by clicking here, and here you'll see the overworld map of the event. So to get range tokens, you first need to figure out which heroes will give you range tokens upon wins. To do that, all you need to do is click on this icon right here, which says ranged. Click on it, and here you'll see a list of the heroes that will give you range tokens upon wins. On the right, you can see all the heroes that will give you one range token upon wins, and Draw Ranger, Medusa, and Sniper will give you 2 range token upon wins. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!